Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ain't got nothing to be scared of.
Oh, God.
Just don't put your finger directly
Hell
under
no.
it.
I know not to put my damn finger. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashana Capri. So I found these benches that have storage on both of them. I found two of them from this nice young lady that stays about 45 minutes away from us. So yes, I drove to get these and it was free. So I was like, hey, I like redoing stuff, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reupholstery both of the benches and change the fabric. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick up close. So I have my wonderful husband here who is going to help me take off the fabric that is on the bench. He has to do some unscrewing because you got to kind of unscrew to take the freaking fabric off. But we already did one over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and begin taking the fabric off of this one. It's like super easy. We got lucky because it's literally just Velcro on here, the fabric is. So this is going to be a super easy project. We got lucky.
Gotta unscrew these two big screws because it is holding the bracket in place, which prevents us from taking the fabric all the way off. So once we take the screw out, all you do is just pop it up and then you can take the fabric off. Pretty simple.
So now I'm just going to take the vacuum real quick and vacuum everything out, and then I'm going to bleach it and clean it and everything as well. So we're all done with doing that. Now I just need to go to get some fabric, maybe from the fabric store. I don't know if I want to go to Joann's or Ikea or somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys along with me while I pick out fabric, but once I come back, we'll be doing something and, you know, maybe covering these benches finally. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we're back again. I went out and got fabric. I went to Ikea to get fabric for one of the benches, and I went to Joann's to get fabric for the other bench. So I'm gonna go ahead and start recovering the first bench that we have. What you see me doing right here, guys, cutting off the excess of the fabric because it's not needed You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it just because I think it'll make it look better. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Nothing to be scared of.
Oh God.
Just don't put your finger directly
Hell
under
no,
it.
I know not to put my damn finger.
Howdy, y'all. These are my work boots, so don't judge me. So what we've done now is we took the rest of the fabric. Because it's the bottom piece, we just thought it would be easier to lay the fabric on top because we want to have that one continuous strip. Thank you, babe. Want to have that one continuous strip going around so it looks a little smoother, a bit more smoother instead of choppy with like the uneven splits.
Yeah, we want to. Yeah, we didn't want to cut it into 4 pieces. Like cut this side, do 1 strip, cut that side, do 1 strip. You know what we mean, right?
Yep. So what we're gonna do is now I'm just gonna take the scissors and it's basically just cut out the middle part. First, I'm just gonna staple it. That way we can secure it and make it easier to cut.
Yep.
And then, we'll just cut out the bottom piece.
And we should be what?
Be done.
Done. Done.
Super easy.
Super
project.
easy DIY.
So let's get the stapling. Alright, she has done cutting the middle portion out of it. As you can tell, it looks pretty even, smooth, and even with the extra fabric.
If you want to.
Optional.
Yeah.
You can just use it as a liner on the inside.
Yeah.
Kind of matches the bench.
Super easy, you guys. Super easy. This is the finished result. Husband suggested to maybe changing the legs to some white legs. I may do that in the future. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you do that right now and hit that subscribe button. If you like videos like this, leave me a comment down below. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.